The settings not shown in this video are the recommended settings. Changes to any settings not covered here should only be made by advanced users. The ExactFlat optimizer will process the pieces to find the best solution with the least amount of strain and sag based on the material selected. ExactFlat removes the need for multiple iterations of optimization. It will mathematically find the sweet spot between strain and sag. When working with doubly curved geometry, it is physically impossible to have no strain or sag. Doubly curved geometry will see higher strain in convex and doubly curved areas, which will lead to high sag in the boundaries around that area. Concave areas will have the opposite behavior. When working with flat or developable surfaces and you want to achieve a tighter fit, strain can be artificially induced by using the global target strain feature of the grain line tool. Under the material settings, the default material and metric used for each pattern piece is defined in the ExactFlat options. Click Browse to choose from a library of materials and pick one that matches your needs. Setting the metric to linear isotropic is the recommended setting. Other metrics can be used on more complex materials, such as composites, when the grain orientation is known. For linear isotropic, the material is stretched the same way in any direction. Linear orthotropic, the material behaves differently when stretched across the X or Y axis. And linear bias adds a third axis at 45 degrees. The material will behave differently across all three directions.